In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your draft posts in Reddit. If you've ever started writing a post on Reddit and then saved it as a draft, you might later decide you don't need it anymore. Maybe it was just a test, or you changed your mind about posting it. Either way, cleaning up your drafts can help you stay organized and avoid confusion when you're creating new content. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account in your browser or in the Reddit app. Once you're on the main Reddit page, look for the button that lets you start a new post. This is usually labeled Create or Create Post, and it's often found near the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry, we're not actually going to publish anything right now. We're just using this to get to your saved drafts. When you click on Create, a post editor window will open. This is the place where you would normally type your title, choose a community, and write your post. At the top of this editor, or sometimes slightly above the text area, you should see an option labeled Drafts. Click on Drafts to open your list of saved draft posts. After you click Drafts, you'll see all of the posts you've saved but haven't published yet. Take a moment to scroll through and confirm which drafts you really want to remove. Remember that once you delete a draft, you won't be able to recover its contents, so double check that you don't need any of the text or ideas saved there. If there's anything important, you might want to copy it somewhere else before continuing. Next, look for a small trash can icon next to each draft. This trash icon is the delete button for that specific draft. When you're ready to remove one, simply click on the trash icon. In many cases, Reddit will delete the draft immediately, but sometimes you may see a small confirmation prompt asking if you're sure. If that appears, confirm that you do want to delete it. Repeat this process for any other drafts you no longer need. Just select the draft, click the trash icon, and confirm. When you're done, your draft section should be much cleaner, showing only the posts you still plan to work on,